Okay, so let us take a quick look at operators. Okay, so we are going to dive into and we see what are operators. So let us start with the definition. So operators are used to do operations, for example, addition, subtraction, explanation, flow division, and so many others. So down here we have the examples where we print the added values, and we get the answer, which is 1000. So we look at the type of operators. So types of operators, we have 7. So we have arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logic, identity, membership, and bitwise operators. So let us take a look at arithmetic operators. So arithmetic are used to perform common mathematical tasks in programming, and some operators have different meanings in programming languages. So we shall even take a look at operators precedence. Okay, so where we shall remind ourselves about body mass. Okay, so here we have some examples in arithmetic operators, and you can test out one by one. Okay, after gaining the knowledge of creating variables. Okay, so you will see that. So here we have another one. Here we let's look at flow division, and when we do flow division, we get the nearest possible integer. So here we have the normal division when we divide 15 divided by 17, and here we get the flow division 15 / 7. Okay, so let us look at assignment operators. So these ones are used to assign values to any variable. For example, we have equal, plus or equal, minus or equal, and multiplication or equal, and even the flow and the / or equal to. And here we have some examples here. You can try out them, okay, one by one, and see the output. Okay, so let us look at comparison operators, and these ones are used to compare two values in programming, as the name suggests. Okay, so the first one we have equal, and this one is equal to. We have not equal to, we have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So they are used to do comparison, as the name suggests. So we have some examples here where we have 6, which is greater than 1999. No, it is a false. And here we have 66, which is equals to 6 times 11, and this one is true. Okay, so we have other examples. You can try out them. Okay, so but I'm not going to try to be first. Okay, so here we have logical operators, and this one give the logical power to programming languages. Okay, and local logic operators are used to combine conditional statements, and the examples are below. You can try out them. And go to the next is the identity operators, and these ones are used to identify if two objects are same or not, and returns true or false. There are two of them, is and is not. Okay, so let us look at membership operators, and these ones are used to check if any object is in the given sequence. Okay, and returns true or false, and there are two of them, in or not in. We shall see how to use them when we start using for loops and others. Okay, so let us look at bitwise operators, and these ones are the last. Okay, these ones are not used generally. Okay, they compare binary numbers. Okay, we don't normally use them. Okay, there is and, or, not, or, and others, but we not usually use them. Okay, so you should not put a lot of emphasis on them, but you should learn them. So here we have some questions. You can answer them, and leave comments, yeah, of your answers, yeah, below. Okay, so thank you.